Welcome to our YouTube channel, where wisdom meets inspiration. In this channel, we share valuable insights to help you become the best version of yourself. Our content is designed to uplift your spirit and enrich your life. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay connected with this incredible journey. Click the subscribe button below.
There was this small boy who was talking the mobile on the terrace of his house, 5th floor apartment. As he was talking, friends entered to have a chat with him. He did not recognize his friends. He was concentrating on the talk. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, friend is a friend. They just made fun. And one friend just dhakka diya. From the 5th floor, he fell down. Normal boy, college student. Everything is there. He did not expect, he did not react. He stumbled, no grip. And human instinct क्या है? कुछ पकड़ना है. No window, no tree, nothing. Is falling down 5th floor. Within seconds, body is tumbling down. In front of his house, there was the high tension wires. He caught it. Human instinct. He caught it. पकड़ लिया उसको. Immediately there was a blast. His right hand was burnt. His left leg was caught in that wire. No flesh, only bone remained. Right hand, feet burn ho gaya. He was taken to the government hospital, local. They thought he is dead because there was no pulse. They put him in a mortuary for 4 hours. Nobody was there. Dilapidated government hospital. But when life makes life, when it is designed that he has to make a difference, life came into him. Like a miracle you may call, magic you call, kuch bhi bolo. He came out of the mortuary crawling. People ran away thinking a ghost has come. But damage has been done. No operation. No treatment. One old lady saw him. He said, with the left hand, bleeding, dirty, burnt hand. Old lady ran there, gave a cup of milk, gave one small bread piece. After 6 hours, his right hand had to be amputated. After 4 days, his left leg had to be amputated up to the thighs. Toes had to be amputated in the right leg. Plastic surgery for the feet. Triple amputee. All happened within 6 hours. 5 minutes mistake of somebody, his life shattered. He became a joke in the village. He became a burden to his family. But life is important. By sheer willpower, aligning the mind and the heart. If the alignment is not there, my dear friends, you have many programs like this, kuch nahi hota hai. It will be a stone in the water. Alignment करो घर जाके. कोशिश करो, क्या सोच रहे हो, क्या फील कर रहे हो. अब फीलिंग नहीं है तो भारतवर्ष इतना बड़ा देश है, बहुत ये हो जाएगा. Today that is the problem with all of us. फीलिंग नहीं है, बहुत सोच रहे हैं, बहुत कैलकुलेटिव हो गया हम लोग. But look at this boy. Later he learns computer, mobile operation, mobile repairs. With the left hand, with the mouth. It is not artificial, it's not a movie. It's not imagination. I'm just giving you a small example and fast forward of that story. Getting connected with Swami Vivekananda, getting connected with Human Excellence Institute in Hyderabad. This boy on October 8th travels all the way to Russia. And the first triple amputee in the country to climb 22,000 feet called Mount Elbrus. Put Vivekananda picture there. Put the Tiranga there. Chant a prayer there. Sing Janagana Mana there. And while he was coming, 3 times he fell into a 40 feet icy gorge. He could not stand. Returning is very difficult. But thanks to his coach, his guru, they saved him because they tie the waist with ropes. Did not stop. Life makes life. He went to Argentina, Tanzania, Kilimanjaro. and climbs 23,000 feet, one hand and one leg in 40 days. What made him do that? Why is he doing that? He can sit calmly in a shop, and now he is doing, we arranged for his job also. He is a receptionist in a big hospital in Hyderabad. He is given promotion also. Why should he do it? No right hand, no left leg, no toes. I asked him, why are you doing, Mr. Shekhar? I knew why is he doing, but for the sake of the youth, I put him on stage and asked, why are you doing? Tell them. Tell your young brothers and sisters. He said, nature made me a cripple, now I will conquer nature. I will show what an handicapped man can do. Vivekananda says, man is man so long as he is fighting against nature, and that nature is both external and internal. And what is his goal? By 2022, he wants to climb Mount Everest and put Vivekananda's picture there. Many have done it, but he is a triple amputee to do it with one hand and one leg. My dear young friends, feel first whenever you want to do any work.
Become Swami Vivekananda's messenger. Share the video with 3 of your friends.